Hi, my name's Tim. We need to make this dirt flat. What can we use? I have two rakes. They look the same. One is green, one is blue. Oh, I don't know. I like blue. Okay, we've got the rake. Let's make this ground flat. It's too small. It doesn't work very well. Let's try another one. Ah, this one's bigger. Okay, again we have two, green or blue. I think this time we'll try green. Maybe this rake will work better. Let's try. Better, but it's still too slow. Maybe we need some help. Wow, a truck. Maybe he can help us. Look at these such big wheels. Oh, if we open the cab, look here, big motor. And look what else. Here we have a tray to put the sand. Well, let's see, can he help? I don't think he can help us. Oh, look who came, a bulldozer. Here we have a big bucket. And here we have tracks. Perfect for on the sand. Let's see, can he help us? This is the plow. Maybe that can work. Well, he was good to dig, but we need to make the ground flat, so maybe someone more. Whoa, look who came now, a crane. Oh, look here. How long can this go? Wow. Oh, look how long it is. And this can turn. Look here, we have a hook. We can lift up very heavy things. Well, he's interesting, but here he can't help us. Nobody's been able to help. Oh, a grader. Surely he can help us. Here we have a bucket, like the bulldozer. And big wheels, like the truck. But the most important, this is the blade. He uses this to push the sand. Well, here's exactly what we needed. Look, he did everything. Whoa. Just look how flat is the dirt. The grader did such a good job here. Write us in the comments below what piece of machinery you think did the better job, or what was the problem with them. Maybe you can give us a clue for next time. Thank you. Bye.